Now that I'm doing more big track days, I'm realizing just how different the two sports are. Autocross teaches you car control in a way that big track never will. This episode has rain, humidity, spins, and some of the fastest drivers I've ever seen. Whether you're a track addict, an autocrosser, or just into cars, I'm sharing everything I learned and bringing you along the journey.
Oh my god, 47! Yeah! You said it!
Welcome back to another episode of the PCA-LA Championship Series, where I'm challenging myself by leaving the ladies class and competing in my manual GT4 with the pros. This was round 10, and while my practice runs felt strong, the competition reminded me just how much I still have to learn.
Can we challenge it? Like, why?
It's okay. You did really good though. Like you're flying.
This light rain didn't seem like much, but in the warm California air, it became very humid. And humidity actually prevents your tires from cooling
There's
down.
some raindrops.
I know.
Yeah, that's toasted. I watered the rears a lot. I did the fronts just a tiny bit.
Okay.
Just like in pro racing, pit strategy matters at Autocross too. You only get 4 runs, so think about when to push and when your tires start to get greasy.
That's a clean run.
Yes! Okay! Alright, now I can just push it.
Do your tires feel okay?
Yeah, they're at 27.5. And I'm gonna keep it like that.
27.5?
Yeah.
So Christian's been heating up his rears more. So on your second lap, when you come back, we'll come in and water your rear.
Okay. They get really hot, like I've noticed.
We'll water them off.
Okay.
If they don't feel good after the first run, no, you'll be fine. Just do 2 runs.
Okay.
Okay, you're good. Do another run and then we'll reset everything.
Okay.
Okay, there's some raindrops.
I know. Oh my god. I can't believe it's raining.
We might change the pit strategy and do third stop. The rain might slow down.
Okay.
Like the next run, if you feel like you don't want to deal with the rain, just let it
Just wait? Okay. Okay. It looks like it's slowing down a little bit.
Yeah.
They're like cold, I bet.
No, they're pretty hot. The
Okay.
rears are still pretty hot.
Okay, okay.
They're really hot. So next run, if you get another hot run, chances are we should just still pit and water them because they're really hot. Like I can't leave my hand on too long.
Okay.
This course was really fun. It can be divided into 2 sections, the first part being tight and technical, the second half being a power course. It starts off with a right-hander into a slalom, directly into a tight hairpin. Opens up just a little for a decreasing radius U-turn. Don't be tricked by the offset cones that lay ahead of you next. This section was a no-brake zone, just a lift-off throttle before turning into a long straight that really favored high horsepower cars. Trail brake the right-hander into a hairpin. Don't carry the car too far right. You want to set up on the left to make the next right turn easier to take. Another no braking section with a couple of offset cones. Stay tight on the next U-turn. Be patient on the throttle until the car is pointed in the right direction. The last section is the full throttle section, dodging the 2 cones before the exit. I'm fighting to keep my podium standing, so I asked Sam to coach me.
like a really big slide.
That's fine.
Oh my god. So,
Try to be earlier. Try to be earlier.
okay.
And brake smoother.
Okay.
You gotta set the car up way earlier on the right side. That way you can dive into the left and put just a lift.
Okay. But, oh my god, I got launched so far off. I was like a little worried. Yeah, I was late for sure.
I like how it was the exact same spot.
Yeah, fuck. Oh my god, 47! You said it! Okay. Oh my god, that felt really good. That felt really good. And it got like so squirrely and I still lifted. It's so fun when it's like squirrely like that. Like it actually feels like I'm driving the car. Yay! Thank you!
Yeah, of course.
Oh my god, I spun out.
I saw.
Twice! And I, like, it went so far, I was kind of scared it was gonna hit the fence. That's a good time. Yes. Yes, okay. Okay, that's a good time.
Yeah, that's a clean run.
Yes, okay, all right.
Went into the group, you know?
Can we challenge it? Like, why?
It's okay. You did really good though.
On a power course like this, the difference between good drivers and the pros was clear. My practice runs were really strong, but the very best found a whole other second when it counted. I gave it everything today. My podium standing is still alive. The season isn't over. The competition keeps pushing me, and that's what makes Autocross so much fun.
Siblings.